Hello, fellow math teachers. Justin Holiday here from mathfilefoldergames.com. Today's game I'd like to feature is from my 7th grade file folder math games book. It's called Mix Operations. This game the object of the game is to evaluate numerical expressions involving decimals. So the strategy in this game is this: you want your students to using different expressions, different operations of multiplication, division, addition, or subtraction, to get the smallest number, or you can change it to the largest number, whichever you guys want to play, but just decide before the game, right? So they will be dealt 6 cards, well, 3 at a time or 6 at a time, your choice. That's the beauty of games, you can decide on however you want, right? And since this is grade 7, I leave the Jack, Queen, Kings in the deck, so they can be 11s, 12s, and 13s, which makes it a little bit harder. Or you can remove them, which is fine too. So I dealt myself 3 cards, then I gotta decide which number, and will I make that it has to go in the form of 2 digits, decimal, 1 digit, right? And if you put a Jack there, it would be 11, right? So it'd be 11ths. 100s. So yeah, so I picked these 2, 1, 5. So I deal myself. So I'm gonna make sure my 10. I'm gonna make the smallest digit 12 and 5 tenths. And then I'm gonna pick another 3 cards, and I got a 5, 4, and a 6, and I'm going to put it 40. Now let's put 56 and 4 tenths. And now this is where you get a paper clip, pencil, game board. The game board has just a spinner. Just the operations that you gotta pick. So you take everybody knows this, probably. Anyways, you spin your spinner with your paper clip. I got addition, so I gotta add these together. And then I use my piece of paper, add them together, so I get 68 and 9 tenths, right? And I write that down, right? So you do this with multiple players in the game, you do it with the entire class, and whoever gets the smallest number after going through the whole thing wins. So I like having an arbiter, so someone who's in charge, like a teacher or another person with a calculator, so you can quickly check everybody that they're doing their operations correctly. And yeah, so that's the game essentially, and whoever gets the smallest gets the point. So it's kind of fun. Good practice in practicing with decimals and working around with decimals. And the element, I guess, of chance is the strategy behind it is trying to figure out what combination of these numbers is going to make the smallest number, right, or the largest. So yeah, that's the game. This is great. I think this game is very easy to modify up and down to different grade levels or different areas. So you can obviously deal more cards, or you can just add. You can add a lot of different complexities to this game if you want, or you can make it even easier and all the way down to probably 1st grade if you wanted to. So if you want this game, as always, just leave a comment in the comments below here, and don't just say good job, I love the game. I would really like it if you added something substantial, something that would maybe modify this game to make it even better, or adapt it and how you would use it in your classroom, or just something completely different in the same topic here, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, decimals. So if you can share something in the comments below, I'll message you this game on over to you. And if you can't think of anything, you're still not out of luck, just tag a friend and they'll come over and do the same thing. And if you tag someone, I will send over the PDF as well. So if you want this, just do that and you'll get it free. And if you want the entire book, head on over to my website at mathfilefoldergames.com. And if you want to go directly to the store, and you'll find this game bundle, this book, you can get this book, or you can bundle it with other books and get a massive amount of games to play throughout your entire year. Head on over to my store. And if you use the discount code MATHISFUN, you'll get a 50% discount on anything, even bundles. So it's a great opportunity, taking advantage of this discount code right here. So if you have any comments, please share. I'd love to get a good conversation going in the comments here, and an opportunity to share as teachers and how we can help our students learn to love math. And I think games is a great opportunity for that. And catch you next time. Catch you tomorrow. Thank you.